What's up, everybody? Good morning, fellow investors. This is Crypto Millionaire with another video on cryptocurrency. And guys, yesterday I made my first video in Davor Coin, and I told y'all it was at $135 roughly, as you can see today. It is already at $175. This is crazy, guys. The coin just started about less than a month ago. It started at around $5, and you can see the profit that it's already been gaining. Y'all can see the 24-hour volume. Killer percentage today, we're expecting 1.71%. The last week is 1.29%. Definitely paying better than BitConnect. Subscribe to the channel to get more updates on Davor Coin. Remember, if you want to go ahead and join Davor Coin, click the link in the description box. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Again, great opportunity, guys. As you can see here, this is the last 5 days credited interest. 1.71% is what we're expecting today. Yesterday was 1.09. This was the bad day, but this is the baddest, I haven't seen it lower than that yet. 1.48%, 1.02%. So if you want to make your investments and start growing your interest rapidly, you got to check out the Davor Coin, guys. Here are the lending packages. This is the extra bonuses that you can get if you do $1,001 or more, $5,001 or more, $10,001 or more, and $25,000 or more. As you can see, you can get your capital back here, plus all of the revenue from the interest that it's being paid out daily, guys. You also have an optional capital lock boost. If you want to leave your capital in there for a few couple days longer, you can actually automatically get a daily bonus, which is BitConnect don't have that option then. And if you want to just stake the coin, which is pretty much very good right now. If everybody that bought the coin at $5 and they've been staking it, and now it's $175, so y'all can see how much money a lot of people are making. And it's going to be 10% per month on your staking bonus for the first year, 8% for the second year, and 5% for the third year. And what we all love, you got the affiliate bonus, and there is a 5-level affiliate bonus, people. 8% first level, 4% second level, 2% for the third level. And this is why, guys, I am giving away my commission to anybody who join under me. All you need to do is click the join link in the description box, and you'll automatically join my team as a referrer. You contact me on YouTube and I'll send you your 8% so you can reinvest it or hold it in the Davor Coin and make some more money off of it, guys. And you can also refer some other people so you can start earning money as well. So check out the Davor Coin. Let's go ahead and log in and see what's going on today. People's freaking out because BitConnect has been down for almost 2 days now, but don't freak out, people. Everything's going to be fine. I'm sure that they're going to get the server up and running the latest today. So you can see I already have $1,034.66 in investments. I started on December 30th. I only deposited $126 for my first loan. I then made some subsequent loans because I saw that the interests were killer interest, and the value of the coin just, it's just increasing every day. It's crazy. So I'm holding some coins as well. I suggest you hold some coins as well. Don't invest, don't lend all of it, because it's gonna still go up, guys. But remember, BitConnect is already all-time high is around $450. The Davor Coin is rapidly growing. Its market cap is rapidly growing. So you still $176. Y'all can still make a 200% gain on that pretty much soon. So So you can see I have $10 in my lending wallet. I'm going to go ahead and reinvest that now. In my wallet, my lending wallet, y'all can see all of the interest that it's been paying me out. All the interest I got paid out yesterday, all the incomes that all the interest it's paying me out today based on my loans. So if you are familiar with BitConnect and you're making money with BitConnect, don't miss out on Davor. Go ahead and click the link in the description box. Join the website. Do your own research. And make money with me, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Comment. Leave a comment in the description box. I'm going to start giving away Davor coins to the best comments. Just put your Davor address in the comment and leave a comment. And we're going to be giving away daily giveaways for Davor coins. We'll check it out tomorrow, guys. I'm going to go ahead and reinvest. Whatever accrued here. You want to continue to gain capital so you can get more money in interest per day. Talk to you all soon, guys. Check out my other videos regarding the Davor coin for more information.